And wide signaled by the umpire, so starts off with an extra.
Get boundaries, in particular in these first 6 overs.
Runs off the bat. And Owaise gets off the mark with that single. Be interesting to see what the youngsters plan to do in terms of scores. Talking to the captain on the toss, who won that's the captain himself, Abbas Ali, said that we'd like to restrict them to 150-60, so he fancies that can be chased down over here.
Wouldn't have played a lot of cricket out here at the Gaddafi Stadium, of course.
Ooh, sharp ball and a carry. Well, look at that. Well done by the keeper. It's an extra, yes. But that ball really took off.
Well, the pace is certainly in the wicket, Sikandar. This is a good bouncer. Skip through quickly to the keeper. He's played it well, though. Moment he's seen that it's that short, just swayed out the way. Drop the hands. Good take from the keeper as well.
Oh, that just came in off the surface. Just went right through the defense.
Looks like just a bit of nip off the surface, and you can see with a seam that generally wants to just bring that ball back into the left-hander. Dawood Nazar was taking his eyes off the ball at that last moment, and that's why it wasn't major to...
Dot ball and end of the first over, and Gujranwala Giants are 5 for no loss. There's a sound. The sound has been given. First wicket of the Pakistan Junior League, and Owaise Azan has to walk. It's probably got a fade inside edge on that one, and Nabil strikes.
Well, he wanted the wicket early in the over, had to wait a couple more deliveries. This time he's got his man. Ball's gone quickly through to the keeper. This will give us a better indication of exactly what's happened there. You know, I don't know if we got an inside edge on that. It's clearly come off the front pad. Umpire seems to think there was bat on there, and he's the man who counts.
Yeah, there is a definite sound, but it just seems like from the replay that it's probably brushed the pad or something. But surely the keeper went up straight away. The first wicket's gone. Owaise Azan goes for 7. Gujranwala Giants 12 for 1. Ooh, a bit of movement. He's getting the ball to talk, Nabil. And the captain of Gujranwala Giants is coming at number 3. He's the captain of Southern Punjab under-19 side. Have a look at this.
I'm not convinced that there's been bat on there. There's 2 sounds, yes. But I think it was bat on pad, and the ball, of course, coming off the front pad as well.
Oh, that was almost there, a short cover. Almost. Too much bottom hand in that, trying to defend it, and yes, probably brushed the fingertips. 12 for 1 after 2.
Fast ball, oh, that's well bowled again. Well fielded, oh, he was nowhere near the frame.
You just get a feeling George could have taken his time. Just hold on to the ball for a fraction of a second and then aim. Runs here. That thick outside edge. Probably didn't intend to play it in that area.
Not a convincing stroke. Foot stuck. That off stump area, he's just throwing the hands out the ball, and that's why he's got the outside edge. Look at that massive gap between.
He's targeting the stumps. It's not allowing any room for Rozair. 3 overs gone. 17 for 1 Gujranwala Giants. Oh, that is a very good shot. That's got to be out. And it is. First up, full at length, straight in front of middle leg.
Couldn't get the bat down in time. And that's hit him plumb in front. That's a good delivery first up to the batter. Siobhan Daniel has to go for 2. Gujranwala 17 for 2.
First no ball. Not only he has to bowl it again, going to end up giving a free hit here. Yeah, it just didn't get up, did it? Again, a thick outside edge. And that's earned him a boundary.
I like this because it's pitched up and the opportunity to hit the ball over the top is there. The execution not as well as he would have liked.
It was there. It's not the first time it has happened. It's direct hit. Do they want to go upstairs?
Just to lose a wicket to a run out. Now it looks tight. And I think he's probably just made his ground.
Another thick edge, another boundary for Razair Mumtaz. So anything that is outside the off stump, he's going to throw everything at it.
29 for 2 then. We're into the last over of the power play. We've seen plenty of pace. That's one thing we have seen so far. This wicket has been so good. We talked to the curator a little bit earlier. He's left a little bit of grass on it. You just see there, chipped and out. Been a good start.
Little bit of length, trying to go over the top. No timing there. Easy catch by Hasib. Third wicket down for Gujranwala. Ariful Islam has to go back for 2. Gujranwala 29 for 3.
Full again, this time going down. So Amir Khan got a wicket with his first ball, remember? And then his last wicket with his second ball of his second over. Again, tried to come down, it just wasn't there. It was just like a little chip.
Very clever bowling there. He is using the length. This time he was bowled into the pitch. Got a bit more bounce than usual. An easy catch there.
A little bit of swing. And a bit of confusion already in the running, and I think that's been probably nerves and the first game. Except it's just a cricket game. And don't try and build it up to be something different. Of course it is. It's the first franchise under-19 cricket tournament in the world. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. It's so difficult for the new batter to come out because bowler is hitting those left in the power play. Chipped, this time short, so it is the end of the power play and it's been an impressive one for the Mardan Warriors.